You mean to say you're the Reverend Sean O'Connor?
In the flesh, sir. Even if I am temporarily without a collar.
And you were on your way to Moonsville?
That's what I've been trying to explain for the last half hour, but unfortunately, this feeble-minded old goose feeble-minded. I'll have you clapped in irons.
Well, put him in the barn and throw away the key. Moonsville is mine! Moonsville is mine! Moonsville is mine!
That's my son.
Moonsville is mine!
Come on.
Could I remind you? He was dressed as one of God's messengers.
Hallelujah.
Look, I just got back from town.
Everybody's pulling up stakes.
Hell no, the preacher arrived.
Another one.
Rats.